Wordtune Review, Usage Experience. Links to Wordtune are in the description, so make sure to check them out. In this video, I'll walk you through what makes Wordtune one of the best AI-powered writing assistants, who it's designed for, and how it can significantly enhance your writing process. Wordtune is more than just a grammar checker. It's an AI writing companion that helps you rewrite, rephrase, and refine your sentences to sound clearer, more engaging, and professional. The standout feature is its ability to suggest multiple alternatives for your writing in real time, allowing you to instantly choose the version that best fits your tone or intention. Whether you want to make your writing more concise, formal, or creative, Wordtune adapts to your needs. This tool is perfect for students, professionals, marketers, and content creators who frequently write emails, reports, articles, or social media posts. The browser extension integrates directly with popular platforms like Google Docs, Gmail, LinkedIn, and more, meaning you can enhance your writing on the go without switching applications. One of Wordtune's strongest features is tone control. With just one click, you can make a sentence more casual, formal, or expand on ideas, which is particularly useful for professionals who need to switch between different writing styles throughout the day. The free version provides essential rewriting suggestions, while the premium version unlocks unlimited rewrites, tone adjustments, and advanced features. The user interface is sleek and intuitive. As you type, Wordtune highlights areas that could be improved and offers suggestions immediately. This eliminates writer's block by providing quick, actionable feedback that goes beyond basic spelling and grammar. In summary, Wordtune is a must-have tool for anyone looking to elevate their writing effortlessly. If you're someone who values polished, impactful communication, Wordtune is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to check the description for links, and if this review helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.